Hello, welcome to how to solve this square root simplification problem. First of all, we factorize the numbers under square root like this. Four times square root of this 12 is factorized as 2 times 2 times 3 plus 5 times square root of this 27 is factorized as 3 times 3 times 3 minus 3 times square root of this 75 can be factorized as 5 times 5 times 3 plus, and this 300 is factorized as square root of 5 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 3 divided by 2 times square root of this 48 is factorized as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 minus this 147 is factorized as square root of 7 times 7 times 3. Next, we have the pairs 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 5 times 5, 5 times 5, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 2 and 7 times 7. We write this 4 first, 4 times, and this pair 2 times 2 is same as square of 2. So the square of this 2 will be cancelled with the square root and this 2 comes out of the square root. So we write here 2 and this 3 remains under square root. Square root of 3 plus 5 times, from this pair 3 comes out of the square root. We write here 3 and this 3 remains under square root. Square root of 3 minus 3 times, from this pair 5 comes out of the square root. 5 and this 3 remains under square root. Square root of 3 plus, from this pair 5 comes out of the square root. 5 times, and from this pair 2 comes out of the square root. 2 and this 3 remains under square root. Square root of 3 divided by 2 times, from this pair 2 comes out of the square root times, from this pair 2 comes out of the square root and this 3 remains under square root. Square root of 3 minus, from this pair 7 comes out of the square root and this 3 remains under square root. Square root of 3. Next, now we multiply the numbers that are out of the square root. 4 times 2, 8 times square root of 3 plus 5 times 3, 15 times square root of 3 minus 3 times 5, 15 times square root of 3 plus 5 times 2, 10 times square root of 3 divided by 2 times 2, 4 and 4 times 2, 8 times square root of 3 minus this 7 times square root of 3 remains same. 7 times square root of 3. Next, this positive 15 times square root of 3 will be cancelled with this negative 15 times square root of 3, and here left 8 times square root of 3 plus this 10 times square root of 3, 10 times square root of 3 divided by 8 times square root of 3 minus 7 times square root of 3. Next, now we can take square root of 3 as common. square root of 3 as common times, and in bracket left 8 plus 10 divided by square root of 3 as common, and in bracket left 8 minus 7. Next, this square root of 3 will be cancelled with this square root of 3, and 8 plus 10, 18 divided by 8 minus 7, 1 is equal to 18.